This is how we can set a daily routine on the iPhone. So let me talk about it. If this is your first time here on Foxtecc, consider becoming part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Okay, so the daily routine might be set up on the level of just tracking the things you do, for example, using a calendar, or you might also integrate it a bit deeper into the usage of the iPhone. So if we start with a calendar, naturally you can use the Apple one or get a third-party calendar like Google Calendar as well. And the point is to set up a daily routine. So you're going to add the events, like for example, morning routine from 6 till 7. Then you choose commute. Then you choose the work time or whatever else you do. You kind of just put it all into your calendar. And the most important part is that you also choose the events to be repeating daily or whatever you need, right? Because that's like the point of the routine, because you do it like over and over again. And this is going to help you keep track of what you do. And you can also add that thing like the calendar widget to your home screen, so you don't even have to open up the app and see what you are up to. So that's obviously just a way to keep track of that. But in order to actually get like some behavior changes to the phone, you can set up the focus modes, and you can also set up the screen time restrictions. So if you go to the settings and find focus, you can set up, for example, the work focus or sleep, personal, whatever, and you set up these modes which are going to correlate with the routine thing that you are doing. Work is a great example. When you get to work, you can make sure that you use this focus mode, which will, for example, limit the interactions with some apps or notifications from some people. Depends on how you set it up. You can also choose a different wallpaper for that mode. And yeah, the important part is that you set up these schedules. When you click on add a schedule, you can choose a time, and you essentially set it up every weekday from 9 to 5, for example, right? And that's going to make the phone behave differently during the work mode. So that is one example. Of course, you can choose personal to be during the rest of the day, or sports. You can even create a new one for your particular activity. So that's how you can set up the daily routine. And also you can go to the screen at time section and set up app limits. For example, if you don't want to use some apps, or if you want to use only within a limited time period, you can also use this section to kind of like limit the apps on your phone. But that is the thing which I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.